We're going to talk about 3 different levels of culture, 2 you can see and 1 you can't. So I'm going to use my tree analogy. We're going to start at the top with what we call artifacts. So these are things that you can see. When your branding person was up here, that's all artifacts. If you were to walk into an office and see a hard hat or a shovel that broke ground, that would be an artifact. The funny thing about artifacts is you don't always understand them if you're not in the organization. So if I see a hard hat with a spike in it, maybe that hard hat saved somebody's life, and MJ is huge on their safety. So that would be an artifact they would keep in the office. But if you didn't know the story behind it, it might not make a lot of sense. So I'm looking at artifacts on MJ. These are all it. And you saw this with all the branding. Can we think of any other artifacts we would have in an electric construction company? Maybe in an office or out on a job site? What are some things we keep around just because it's who we are?